Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to email customers on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. You can send an email message to a customer directly from your Shopify admin or from the Shopify app. From your Shopify admin, go to customers and now click the customer's name you want to send email. And now click on this customer email address. Edit the subject line for the email or leave it as the default. The code shop.name automatically enters your store's name into subject line of the email message. In the custom message box, enter your message. To receive a copy of the message for your records, under BCC2, check the appropriate email addresses. When you are finished, click on Review Email and click on Send Notification. So here you can see the email has been sent. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.